This is the Airtrack again, and this time we're going to use it for measuring acceleration due to gravity. First thing you'll want to do is raise this end, put the mouse pointer over the wheel and use the mouse wheel to raise this. This just enables us to get an appreciable acceleration. Note that the acceleration in the simulation is rather less than the normal value for the Earth. You'll want to start the glider from a particular position, and you can use this pointer, which we can move again using the mouse wheel. Keep the cursor over the pointer and move it using the mouse wheel to somewhere a bit before the left photo gate, and we can move the glider up to that point quite easily. Probably want to take some care to get this right. I'm going to be a little bit cavalier about it because I'm just demonstrating, but that's the sort of thing you need to do. Now you're going to use both kinds of timer in this. We're going to use them in pair mode, so switch it on and click on the pair button. Now this will measure the time to get from the first timer to the second, which we can do straight away. So the timer starts there and runs until it hits the second. So that's 5.58. Take a note of the time. Now you want the glider to go back to the same position. Now it's going to stop a little bit short because of friction, but you can give it an impulse just to get it beyond, and then switch the blower off. We'll just switch this off. And just use the blower on and off till you get it over the position again. Again, you might want to take a little bit more care than I'm going to take here. Now you want individual times through the individual gates, and what you can do here is swap them for individual ones by clicking on the red cube. And the thing to note is this one will always be put in exactly the same position as the one that it's replacing. So here you want to switch both on, make sure the resets, make sure it's not in paired mode, and we just repeat. So that's the time through the first gate, which is 2 seconds, the time through the second gate, which is rather less, obviously, because it's accelerating. And the documentation tells you how wide this piece of card is, so from that and the time through each gate you've got the speed. Of course, you've got a difference of speed and you've got a time that it takes for that difference of speed, which gives you an acceleration, and you can repeat it with the gates at different distances. Okay.